upper spiral tunnel located in Cathedral Mountain is 3,255 feet long. Its curvature is 288 degrees. The difference in elevation between upper and lower portal is 48 feet. There's the tunnel. Ooh. To get up to the waterfall, it is not for big RVs. We've seen small ones, but not for big ones. There's a sharp curve, and it's like one lane once you'd make the curve going up the hill. And even our van is struggling. Wow.
Anybody coming?
I can't see.
This one's not as bad.
Yeah, they've got room to go around us. Nobody coming. Yeah. Oops. This is the town of Field. It's very cute. It's got some very old buildings in it. It's probably thinking, who are those people? What is that? The library?
That's a do not.
Man, this is a cute little town. Guest house, no vacancy. This is very cute. But you'd sure listen to the railroad because the railroad's right down there and it's loud. Huh. This is the little town of Field. Mostly it looks like you can just rent places to stay. And the ranger station is here. There's a pottery and gallery. Must be the post office right there. Where's this little building? It's a house, I guess. Very cute. Stephen Avenue. Steep steps. Whoa. Okay. Very smoky. BC has a lot of fires. to the road. Toes are in the way.
On a rock.
That's it.
Can't.
This is our campsite for the night. We are at a recreation site. They are first come, first serve. Look at that picnic table. It's beautiful, isn't it? For us, I think it's like $6 a night. We are on the Columbia River. We're just a few miles north of Revelstoke in British Columbia. What an epic sight. Right on the water. My husband is down here enjoying it. This is somebody else's kayak, not ours. Enjoying his space, but it's sweet. It's still smoky though.
You gotta put it down. I can't throw it unless you put it down. Yeah, put it down.
Gotta chew on it first.
Okay, chewed enough. Put it down. No, when you bite it in two.
She said, where'd it go? I can't find it. Can't find it. I don't know. Where'd it go? Need another stick.
No, you gotta throw them thick. She likes to play the game where she only gives it. To play with the stick.
Bella wants to play with us.
So bad.
She just says, are you through the stick all afternoon? Come out and play. Come out and play.
I'm waiting.
Oh, sweet girl.
Foggy.
Well, we found the falls. The road was a little challenging, but we made it. Road is rough. We can hear the falls from here, but we gotta hike down to it. Very pretty trail. Little emerald forest. Sweet. There's a lot of biking trails in this whole area where this falls is. And they're clearly marked. Listened to trains last night. This was downtown. Yeah. There's a
Chinese restaurant.
hot pot with ice cream. Fixing the leak. Revy Outdoors.
Well, I'm gonna find a place to park.
Okay, watch this car. Yeah, we
It's
got
all
the.
four-way stop.
Okay.
I've already looked.
Okay.
But I just need, can I pull in front? Here.
So we're on the ferry, and we're Nakusp is the town that we're going to. And this ferry is part of the highway system, so it's totally free. It's pretty nice. And we just happened to make it. We heard that it runs on the hour, and we're like, well, we were the last vehicle on. Old water tank. We don't know what it was for. Timber company. Look at this bridge. This is a cool little place. You can snowmobile, cross-country ski, snowshoe. This would be a cool place in the wintertime because you got the hot springs. Village of Nakusp. That's how you pronounce it, Nakusp. Open. Wow. All right. This is fun. Wow. What a bridge. Oh. Quite a ways above the water. This is the bridge. You can come and sit here and relax. My husband taking a video of me. And it looks like you get view all the way across. Wow. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, that seems to be the pipe that's piping down the hot water, because you hike up 6 miles to get to the hot spring trail. There's a pipe. We're gonna go see if we can find the old hot springs. So we're gonna go this way, the old one.
It says the Hot Springs Trail
Yeah.
is there.
Yeah, I can't really see. I didn't bring any water. That was dumb. This is the Emerald Forest. A lot of this area is rainforest type, but just about everybody we've talked to said here in Canada they've had nothing but rain, and then this month there hasn't been that much rain and it's warmed up, so this is a couple weeks of summer for them, I guess. But wow, this trail, very green. And we could hike up to the hot springs, but it's about 12.5 miles, and so we're thinking not. We just paid to stay at the commercial one, so. But what a beautiful trail. They redid all of this, or just constructed it, but it's brand new this year, you can tell. Wow, that's pretty cool. Look at all this. Yeah. Okay. A little creek right here. This must be where the old hot springs was. I can smell it. And they're still working on this. There's wood and they're still working on it. Wow. This was the old hot springs. Look at it. Right there you would have got in, I guess, huh? That looks not very nice right now. Oh, the trail goes up this way, it looks too. That's to the lake, I think. Huh. Kind of reminds me of the one at Ohanapekosh. We are in the Selkirk Mountains, the Canadian Selkirks. We believe that box down there is where they get the water and then start piping it down, we think. We're not sure. It's like that was part of the old hot springs. Might have been just in here. Huh. It's like the hot water. You can tell by the sediment in it.